Now we will study what are the properties of higher boranes. Boranes have acidic character. Higher boranes, they act as weak acids. We have example. When this B5H9 pentaborane that is treated with sodium hydride, it releases hydrogen gas and forms Na positive B5H9 negative. Then higher the boranes, the more is their acidic character. For example, we can see here B10H14. It forms, it releases, it ionizes in a way B10H13 and H positive, and B10H13 further ionizes like this B10H12 2 negative with 2H positive. Then the acidic character increases with increasing size of borane cluster. So B59H9 is less acidic than B6H10, which is further less acidic than B10H14. Then similarly B4H10 is less acidic than B5H11, which is less acidic than B6H12. Means कि जैसे जैसे the cluster of borane that will increase, the number of borons they will increase 5, 6, 10. The acidic character that will also increase. Then another property is there. Another property is formation of adducts or addition products like B10H14. It combines with two cyanide molecules, CN negative ions to form B10H12 CN2 negative and releases hydrogen. Then B10H14 it reacts with CH3CN to form. This is also addition product. B10H12 it is replaced by 2 hydrogen NCCCH3 whole twice, then plus hydrogen, then B10H14 that is plus PR3, B10H12 PR3 whole twice plus hydrogen, means addition products are being formed. Then next we have very important structure of higher boranes. So टाइप्स ऑफ बॉन्ड वी हैव स्टडीड बेसिक, इनमें टर्मिनल हाइड्रोजन्स होती है, ब्रिज्ड हाइड्रोजन्स होती हैं, एंड दे हैव 3 सेंटर 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन बॉन्ड्स दैट वी हैव स्टडीड. नाउ व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ bonds in boranes, then that will determine their structure. So the higher boranes have 5 types of bonds. First is terminal BH bonds, terminal boron hydride bonds. They are normal covalent bonds with 2 center 2 electron bonds. Then they have BB bonds, bonds between boron and boron, again 2 center 2 electron bonds. Then we have BHB bonds, bridged bonds. This year I have in the previous lecture I have explained this very I have explained it already, what is BHB bonding. So these are 3 center 2 electron bonds. Then there is another type of bond in which 3 boron atoms they are attached, BBB bonding, BBB bridged bonds. This is also 3 center 2 electron bonds. They are also called as open open boron bridge bonds. Then we have these are open, this is open bonds. Then we have closed BBB 3 center 2 electron bonds. They are closed in between they are inside the ring. So we have 2 types of BBB bonds, open boron bridge bonds and closed boron bridge bonds. Then we will go through a few examples. First is this, the structures are as under. B10H14, this is tetraborane. अब tetraborane में how many valence electrons are there? Each boron it gives 3 electrons. 3 valence electrons are there with each boron. So there are 4 borons. So 12 electrons they will come from boron and 10 from hydrogen, 1 each from hydrogen. So we have 22 valence electrons. Out of these 22 valence electrons, 6 they are used for 6 valence electrons are 2 center 2 electron BH bonds. These are 6 BH bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we have 4 3 center 2 electron BHB bonds. These are 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then we have 2 center, 2 electron BB bond. This is BB bond, 2 center, 2 electron, simple bond with 2 electrons. So these total number of bonds are 11. These 11 bonds, they account for 22 valence electrons. Then next we have structure of B5H9 pentaborane. It is B5H9 has 24 valence electrons. There are 5 borons, and each boron, it contributes 3 electrons. So 5 into 3, 15 electrons plus 9 electrons from hydrogen, as each hydrogen, it contributes 1 electron. So a total of 15 plus 9, 24 electrons. So we have 24 valence electrons. Out of these, 4 2 center, 2 electron BH bonds are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 4 3 center, 2 electron BHB bonds. This is 1 BHB, 2 BHB, 3 BHB and 4 BHB bond. Then we have 2 center, 2 electron BB bonds. So we have 2 center, 2 electron BB bond. This is 1, 2 BB bond. Then we have 1 BBB closed 3 center, 2 electron bond. This is that in closed bond, BBB. So we have, in this way, we have 24 valence electrons and we have 12 bonds. Then next comes your B5H11. B5H11 has 26 valence electrons. Again, 5 into 3. 3 electrons are from boron. So there are 5 borons. 5 into 3, 15 boron atoms, and 11 and we have 11 electrons from hydrogen. 11 means a hydrogen will give 1 electron each. 11 into multiply 1. So we have 26 valence electrons. So out of we have, now we will count number of bonds. 8 2 center, 2 electron bonds. 8 2 center, 2 electron BH bonds. You can count them. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then we have 3 center, 2 electron BHB bonds. So we will count them. BHB bonds 1 2 3. Then we have 2 BBB, 3 center, 2 electron bonds. So this is BBB, BBB. So we have 2 3 center, 2 electron bonds. So to a total we have 13 bonds and we have 26 valence electrons. Then after B5H11 we have next structure of B6H10. B6H10 has 28 valence electrons, obviously 3 each from boron, and there are 6 borons, so 18 electrons from boron and 10 from hydrogen. 28 valence electrons. Out of these, 6 2 center, 2 electron BH bonds are there. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Then we have 4 3 center, 2 electron BHB bonds. So 1 2 3 and 4. Then we have 2 center, 2 electrons BB bond. This is we have a BB bond. So this is the B and B bond, and we have 2 BBB closed 3 center, 2 electron bond. BBB, BBB. So a total of 28 valence electrons out of these 14 bonds. Then next we have B10H14, structure of B10H14. Obviously it has 44 valence electrons, 30 from boron and 14 from hydrogen. So इनमें 10 2 center 2 electron BH bonds are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then they have 4 3 center 2 electron BHB bonds. So we will look for BHB, 4 BHB, 4 3 center 2 electron BHB bonds. So, and then we have 2 center 2 electron BB bonds. ये 1 and 2, this one and this one. Then we have 4 BBB closed, 3 center 2 electron bond. So we have these are this is 1 BBB, 2 BB, B, this is BBB, 3 BBB, 4, and we have 2 BBB open to 3 center 2 electron bonds. So a total of we have how many 44 valence electrons are there. So 22 bonds should be there in between them. So this is all about the total number of bonds in borons. Thank you.